The meat I'm going to use today will be some cow heel and some beef and some fresh green seasoning. And there you have it, guys. What's up, guys, and welcome back to my channel, Island Vibes with David. Hope you guys are staying safe. In today's video, I'm going to attempt to make one of Guyana's favorite dish. It's called pepper pot. So with that being said, let's get cooking. Bless. The meat I'm going to use today will be some cow heel and some beef. Already prepped, cut and washed. I have some seasoning here. Some cinnamon stick, some fine thyme, some ginger powder, some clove, black pepper. The main ingredient, casareep, all-purpose seasoning, salt. And because I don't eat pepper, I'm using cayenne pepper and some fresh green seasoning. I have some garlic, some onion, some shadow benny or bandania, some fine thyme, some celery, and some chive. And of course, you could add any other green seasoning that you prefer. So let's get blending. Alright guys, so I'm going to start the seasoning process. So I'm going to add some green seasoning, fresh. Some ginger powder. Some all-purpose seasoning. You guys can add any seasoning that you prefer. Some cayenne pepper. Black pepper. Ooh! That's the salt bottle. And salt to taste. You can always add salt in the end. And the main ingredient, the casareep. Casareep is made from cassava. You could also add some more of this as you go along. So let's mix it up. Yeah, this is really nice. Right, so I'm gonna let it marinate for about half an hour and we will get cooking. Alright guys, so it's about half an hour and I'm going to use my pressure pot. And because the cow heel is much hard, I'm gonna try to pressure the cow heel first. So I'm gonna put my cow heel there, top it up with some water. I'm going to start to pressure this. Right, so in the meantime, the cow heel is being cooked in the pressure pot. I'm going to add some vegetable oil in there. It's already hot. I'm going to cook the beef. Basically burn out the fresh water. Or sear it, right? And then add it to the pressure pot. Alright, so the cow heel is about halfway done. I'm going to add the beef. I'm going to add 2 sticks of cinnamon, some clove, and some sugar, brown sugar. Top it up with some water again. So I'm gonna add some sprigs of fine thyme. And stir it up. And get back the pressure cooker on. And of course you can add the pepper and so on. So I'm gonna start by the pressure cooker. And I'll see you guys when it's done. Bless. Yeah guys, so the pepper pot bubbling in the back there. You know pepper pot is one of Guyana's main dish around Christmas time. I've visited Guyana a couple of times. And every time I go I look forward to having pepper pot. So much flavors, it's just different about it. So, with this COVID and lockdown, we can't really travel. So I decided to try it on my own. It's my first time attempting it. It's smelling good. So when I don't cook, you'll know if it's tasting good. Hey guys, so I want to shout out all the Guyanese people who watch the videos. All my Guyanese friends. The Darlington family. Brian Smith and his family. David Prasad and his family. And all my Guyanese friends, I want to say shout out to you. You know, you guys make me enjoy Guyana when I come Guyana. You guys are hospitable. You take me around, you show me different places, and you guys make it fun. So I just want to say shout out. And I can't wait to come Guyana. I can't wait for you to come Trinidad. Bless. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. And I'll see you guys when it's time to eat. And there you have it guys. Guyanese pepper pot and coconut hops. So now it's time to eat. Let me see what this thing tastes in here now. So I'll leave out the bread for now. Let me just taste the meat. Bless. I feel like giving some Guyanese some competition here. I feel like giving some Guyanese competition here. Man, the thing tasting real good, like a Guyanese cooking. Maybe this is our next piece here. I feel like I'm in Guyana. So guys, I'm gonna eat all this with the bread. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please remember to subscribe and like the videos. Subscribe to the channel for more videos, you know. Weekly videos about my life, my journey, different things I do. So with that being said, that's all I have for you today. Take care. God bless. Pepper pot isn't good. I'm gone. Bless.